Let me show you the easiest and fastest way to install Paperclip open source system on a VPS. Now, the idea of Paperclip is not like ChatGPT or Gemini. You're not chatting with it, you're actually solving issues. And when you are creating a brand new chat, it's actually called a new issue in Paperclip. So it's like a project management tool, but AI based completely, all right? And this is open source, free to use. Only thing that you have to pay for is the VPS and the API usage. Now let me go ahead and show you how to install this super easy with a one-click install. Now in this case, I'm going to use Hostinger for the Docker manager, and I'll be able to install this and multiple applications in one Docker. Now for this, we're going to need a VPS. So that's the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So if you plan to grab a hosting plan, I do recommend these guys because they have an affordable plan. Plus you'll be able to install multiple applications in the Docker. Now go ahead and jump over to the link in the description, go to services, VPS hosting, and you'll be able to find all their affordable plans that they have available. I do recommend the KVM2 because it's like that sweet spot of pricing and the amount of resources that it's going to provide you. In this case, 2 CPU cores and 8 GB of RAM, and it's only $8.99 a month. But if you choose this plan and use my coupon code, the price is going to drop even more. Now, the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend the 24 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Now, to add my coupon code, go ahead and click on have a coupon code and type in or paste in my coupon code, and the price is going to drop to $194.18, and that's for 2 years paid off. So it's a great plan. Now for the installation part, I already have my VPS going here, and I'm going to go straight to VPS. I'm going to select the VPS that I'm going to use for this Paperclip install, which I'm going to jump into manage. And in manage, I'm going to jump into the Docker manager. As I mentioned before, you can make multiple installations in this Docker. That means that you can take full advantage of your VPS. So let's go into compose. I'm going to use the one-click deploy, and I'm going to search for Paperclip, all right? And it's right here. I'm going to select it. I'm going to set my admin name, and I'm going to set this to admin2. My email for the admin email. I'm going to copy the password so I log in really quickly. Be aware that if you forget to copy this password, I'll show you where to find it, all right? Then we're going to add the API key. But if you do so right now, it's going to be way easier to get started, all right? So let's go ahead and deploy right now. I'm not going to add the API key. Now, in a few minutes, we should have the installation ready. In my case, I already have the install, so I can go ahead and open it up right now. So let's go ahead and do so right now. Let's go ahead and open this, and I now have Paperclip that I can start using right now. Now be aware that if you forget where the password is, just go into manage for the installation of Paperclip, and in manage, we are going to go into the environment. In the environment is where we're going to find the admin password. It's right here. Just go ahead and click on the I, and you'll be able to view the password. And if you need to add the API key again, you can go ahead and add it from here or change it from here, okay? Now, let's go into my Paperclip account. As I mentioned before, Paperclip is not a chat system. It's an issue solver, okay? So when you chat with it, you're actually creating a brand new issue. So go ahead and title your issue, set the description for the issue, and it's gonna kick off the chat for that specific issue. For example, in this case, my agent is a CEO agent. If I need a specific agent for different purposes, I can do this right now. For example, if I want to create an advanced configuration, I can do so here, or I can ask my CEO to create the agent for me. So for example, the agent would be quote manager, right? This is going to be someone that's going to be working for me from the CEO, all right? And then set the description for this person. So he's going to do quotes for certain things, etc. And once you do that, it's going to create the issue. Now you can set this into a backlog to do, in progress, in review, or done. As I mentioned before, it works like a project management tool, which is way different than what you would do with ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. So it's different in that sense. You can set priority, you can add labels, you can upload documents, and you have the option to start date and due date, just like a project management tool, which is pretty cool because it changes the game for this purpose. Now you'll find all the agents created here. You'll find all your issues here. You'll find your routines that you can create right here. You have your goals that you can set here. Again, just like a project management tool, but AI powered, okay? You have your onboarding projects that you can create here. You got your SEO agents and the company organization, the skills for the company, the costs for the usage, the activity, and the settings. Now, for example, with an issue, Let's go ahead and open up one of these just so you understand how it works. So let's go ahead and jump into one of these. So let's go ahead and open this up, and here we go. So this is one of the issues. I can assign a task, I can run a heartbeat, I can pause this, and I can idle this. So I got all the issues that are in this specific section that I can start solving right here. Now, if I want to assign this task, I can do so right here by assigning it to a different agent in this case. So for example, if it has to do with another type of agent like support, accounting, storage, inventory, etc., you can assign these right here to different agents so they can work on this issue to solve. So it's a great option to start using right here. So installing Paperclip right here on the hosting your Docker is super easy. So if you want a hassle-free, easy to install Paperclip system to start solving issues with multiple agents, this is a fantastic option. So check out Paperclip right now. As I mentioned before, it's an open source system, so you're not paying for anything for Paperclip, and just pay for the VPS and the API usage. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the installation and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.